Why does your scanner show the P0630 engine code? What does it mean? P0630 is a diagnostic trouble code for VIN Not Programmed or Incompatible ECM or PCM. This error code indicates an issue with the vehicle identification number stored in the Engine Control Module or Powertrain Control Module. It means the VIN is not programmed into the PCM or ECM. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. PCM or ECM issues. VIN Not Programmed. VIN Incompatible. Programming errors. Wiring or connector problems. Module replacement. Corrupted PCM memory. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like the Ford F-150 and Lotus Elise. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.